Hello everybody, my name is Jardine Joyce, and for today I'm going to be making a drawing of a hamster for my performance task. I choose a hamster because I used to have 4 hamsters, but they are all now in heaven. These hamsters are rodents which can be found in forests or inside a cage at home. Their common habitats include deserts, desert edges, rocky areas, plains, or grasslands. Their body have stout or even round bodies with short limbs and short tails. Their fur comes in a variety of color, including white, brown, black, gray, or red. They use their short limbs to run, dig, play. They also have whiskers. Their nose is very sensitive. Some hamsters also have red eyes. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!